In 6.3, first bit, find the sum of the following APs. So first let us see the first one. 2, 7, 12 up to so on to 10 terms. Okay, so we have to use here SN formula. What is the formula? SN is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we need first term a, that is a1 is equal to a is equal to 2, and then d, we know the difference between the consecutive terms, that is a2 and a1. That is simply we get 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. And then here we have to find the sum of up to 10 terms. So here we have n value 10. Now substitute all the values in the given formula. That is we have to find sum of 10 terms, that is S10 is equal to 10 by 2, 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into d, that is simply 5. Now here by cancellation we get 5 into 4 plus 9 into 5. Then next we get simply 5 into 4 plus 9 into 5, 45. Then next 5 into 45 plus 4, 49. Then multiplication we get 245. So sum of 10 terms is here 245. So now let us see one more. Minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 up to so on to 12 terms. That is we have to find the sum of up to 12 terms. Here again we have to write SN formula. What is it? SN is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now your a value is minus 37, and simply again d, that is the successive difference of first two terms, that is a2 minus a1. Simply we can write it as minus 33 minus of minus 37. Then we get minus 33 plus 37. 37 minus 33, 4. So next here we have n value 12. So substitute all these values in the given formula. That is S12 is equal to n by 2, that is 12 by 2, 2 into a, 2 into minus 37 plus n minus 1, that is 12 minus 1 into d. D is simply we have 4. Now cancel it. 6 minus 74 plus 11 into 4. So 6 into minus 74 plus 44. Then 6 into minus 74 plus 44, minus 30. So total minus 180. So why we get minus 180? So already in the given progression we have all the negative numbers, that is negative integers. Sum of these numbers must be again a negative number. Okay, now next let us see the second bit. Find the sum of the given below. Find the sums given below, the second bit. So in that first one, 7 plus 10.5 plus 14 plus up to so on plus 84. So children, here before sum and this one, just simply we have one difference. He has already given the sum of the some finite numbers. That means we don't have the number of terms here. Okay, whereas in the previous question we have the number of terms. Okay. So for that we have to need the number of terms in this given sum. Okay, we have to find the number of terms in this progression. So as we know already, this first term a1 is equal to 7, and obviously d is equal to, simply we can write a2 minus a1. Then here a2 is 10.5 minus 7. So 21, 22 tens are 20, 20 plus 1, 21, 21 by 2 minus 7. So then we get simply 2 LCM, 21 minus 14, that is 7 by 2. Now we got here a value and d value. Then generally that last term an is taken as 84. Then an formula a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 84. So from this we can get easily the number of terms. Okay, so a value is here 7, n minus 1 into d value 7 by 2 is equal to 84. Now take this 7 to right side. N minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal to 84 minus 7. N minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal to 77. Then n minus 1 is equal to, by transposing this 7 by 2 that side, we get 7 into 2 by 7. By cancellation, 2 1s are 7 1s are 7 11s are, that is 22. So 7 minus 1 into 2, 7 minus 1 is equal to 22. 7 minus, n minus 1 is equal to, how much it is? 22. Then n is equal to 22 plus 1, that is 23. Okay, now go for the sum of these 23 terms. That means we have in this progression 7 to 84 we have the 23 terms. So we need to find the sum of those 23 terms. So now apply Sn formula. Another formula we have, that is n by 2 into, we can apply this also, a plus l or a plus an. So now here n value is here what we have 23, and a value is 7 and L value is 84. Substitute all these values. Sn, that is S23, 23 by 2, a plus L, that is 7 plus, how much is that, 84. Then 23 by 2 into 91. Now multiply 91, 23, 3, 27, 18. So we get here 2093 by 2. 2093 by 2. So these are the other type, and again we have to take same type of sum. Second one, 34 plus 32 plus 30 up to so on 10. Now here again the first term, a is equal to a1 is equal to 34, a is equal to a2 minus a1, into minus 34 is equal to minus 2. Here also we have to find the number of terms present in this progression. So we need here again an formula. Generally that last term 10 is taken as an is equal to an formula a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 10. Now substitute a value 34 plus n minus 1 into d value is here minus 2 is equal to 10. Take this 34 that side, n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 10 minus 34. Then n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to minus 24. Now take this minus 2 that side. Simply we get minus 24 by minus 2. Now by cancellation we get 12. So n minus 1 is equal to 12. N is equal to 12 plus 1. N is equal to 13. That means in this progression we have 13 terms. So now we have to find S13. That is again Sn formula. We can write that again another formula of Sn, n by 2 into a plus l. So here n is equal to, simply we got 13, a is equal to 34 and l is equal to 10. Okay, by substitute that we get S13, that is sum of these 13 terms, 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10. Now 13 by 2 into 44. So by cancellation we get 13 into 22. That is simply we got 286. Okay, so like this we get this type of sums.